The river wall is framed in now with the windows. This is the 12-foot door. I'm excited about that. It looks beautiful. And these two windows, it looks nice. So now we are on to more framing. Try to turn around here without moving too fast. These windows here are windows that were in the restaurant, and they will be filled in. We'll get to that. You can see over here against the wall when the building was put against the other building, the windows are still there too. That has to be filled in. But we're working on this wall. Well, Brad's working on this wall. I'm taking nails out of the wood. Where Brad is working is going to be the laundry room, and it's going to have a nice big window in it. And then there's going to be a wall right there.
Front closet.
Yep. So then we're at the front door.
Door goes from here to here.
Yep. And then there'll be another window. Oh yeah, there's a window on each side. And then there's going to be a big window here. And this is going to be where the stairs go down. So as you go down the stairs, you'll have a window there.
Julie's here pulling nails, cleaning 2x4s so we can reuse them. Still covered in mud from yesterday, and our
I had the same sweatshirt on. But
our,
why not?
our skid steer adventures.
Yeah, that was down here in the new basement. We're not covered out there yet, waiting for the trusses to come, so the rain does come right through over there. It's hard to level it all up. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm just gonna go into the cellar and try to clean up a little bit there while Brad's working on the framing up above. He's dropped a bunch of stuff down through there. So I'm going to work on wrapping up these wires and getting this wood out of here. He's just finishing up the first wall, and we're going to put it up. This one might be the heaviest one so far. Let's see how we do.
It's held.
Oh boy. Okay.
I'll maybe go down there and see if you can push, I'll drag.
You want to go that way?
Yeah.
Before we...
I want to get closer so that I'm not...
You want me to push on this end? Okay.
Okay, put that thing under. Okay.
Okay. I'm afraid I'm going to push it right off the edge.
We're coming around this way.
I get that, but for me, it's going to come right off of that thing. Get in, yeah, push from inside. What if we both go there?
I don't know what the fuck is holding on.
I'm going to come in there. Let's try to just square it up and get it on this better. You grab here and I'll grab here and we'll just square it.
This has to come around.
That's what I'm saying. Let's pull this. You just want to do it one more time with this?
No.
Okay, I like that. So he's put blocks and then the wood so that this piece of plywood can slip down in there and it still has some supports for when we lift it up. Okay, shall we give this another go?
So you're not trying to push away from me, you're trying to lift up.
Lift up, yeah. Take two.
Push it out a bit. You're catching on.
Oh yeah, there we go, we're good. Work. Okay. Woo-woo!
Go your way.
Boy. Is it going tight?
I want it, yeah, it's the...
Wood to wood? Like the...
Yeah.
There you got 8 inches to go. There we go. From out here, it doesn't look as big as it does inside that window.
I guess
Like
not.
it's a gigantic window inside a laundry room. It's really unnecessary, but from out here, it looks nice. And we'll just keep continuing on. Chunk of wall is the front door. Woohoo! Doorway is ready to go up. Woo! I thought this wall would be easier to go up, especially since I got the light side. But all that did was make it unbalanced, and I ended up getting hit in the head. But we did it.
Okay, go up. More?
Yeah. 2 inches. You're gonna kill me here. Can't do that.
Okay, can you let go of your end and go down and push the bottom over?
There we go.
Right down.
Is that a count?
Yep, now up.
Oh, it's fucking metal. There is a piece of venting up in the ceiling that we knocked there, and it's there because we are going to use it for our barbecue venting later on the porch. That was going to be easier than that. Here's the front door. That's a big door, but it doesn't look it there. How big's the door, Brad?
It's 8 feet tall, but I believe it's 5.5 feet.
42.
So it's 42-inch door,
With-
and then
with skylight with the
with
side
side light.
side lights on each side, windows
One
on
side.
each side. Oh, just one side?
Yeah.
Okay. What is over here, Leia? What do you got? Something's trapped in there? Let's see, babe. Ooh, I hear
With
it.
the sun, the glare is on my phone, and I can't necessarily see what this is
raccoon.
until right when I say it's a raccoon.
Ooh, Leia, come on back. The first cruise ship of the year going by. Viking. Beautiful. There's the cruise ship and a freighter. That is a Viking cruise ship. Nice. We're going to get the trusses up today. These the small ones for the porch?
Yes.
Okay, got to set those out of the way. And we have a crew here today. All 3 of my kids. Avery's coming too. So we'll have Avery. There's Tori over there. Trent's carrying one by himself here. Steve's with us. And we're going to see if we can get them up there and finish the roof. We won't finish the roof today, but we'll get the trusses up. These are the big ones. We're going to see how heavy they are. The delivery came while I was at work yesterday, and Brad and Steve got ready for this, and they put up these beams for the porch roof. So, good job, guys.
Quick.
But yeah, it's, you might almost miss.
Shoot it in.
It's not enough.
Oh,
I think it went.
yeah, it
Yeah.
did.
More of an angle. There you go.
It hit that one. There, we're gonna bring that one through the wall.
If we cut them as we go, then
Yep.
we won't cut too many. But
operate in the first place? Yeah.
Well,
Okay, so we got it in. Now they're going to flip it up.
so there is that board that you've got there. Or that one.
Yeah, so if you get it right under the steel thing, we're in the middle.
That's the way, Tori. Woo! Good job, guys. All right, the truss is in. So this is the fourth one. We're getting tight here. It's getting less and less space, so they're gonna have to change their technique here soon.
Okay, you just won't be able to stand on it when we go to do the flip. Like,
Ready?
wait until it's up. You can get underneath it. You know.
Yeah.
Yep. I got it.
Okay. Okay. That's probably about the right spot.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Starter going up.
Do we got room on the?
Yep. If you want, if you need to push
Oh,
it
it's
back all,
Yeah, I might have to.
just got enough room to get it up like this.
There we go.
all right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, there we go.
All right.
Coming to me, Trent. Coming to me.
Yeah, we're just gonna watch. We're off our.
Marker. There we go. I can face it.
Her down. With every truss, it just feels more like a house. I'm very excited about this. Stand back. So the roof that's got plywood on it is the old restaurant, and we are adding on to it with the new trusses. Look at all. Love it. It's getting harder to fit them through now. We had a little gap. Now we gotta try to get them through the window, or I don't know if they'll have to put them over the wall, but we'll see what happens here. Okay, they got a plan here. They're going to put them in upside down the way they have, but put them on the porch. Then they're going to turn them and then slide it over, because we got a wall here. That's the problem that we're trying to work it out. Okay.
Like 2 or 3 of them
Okay.
while we're down here.
Sure. They're gonna bring a few.
Yeah, these are gonna be more tippy because we're not going through that slot. So have an eye for that. All right, all yours. Go to your end. All right, yeah, I can reach it.
Right back to you, Ted.
Ooh, it's working.
I got it.
Wish I could get a better
No,
view,
it's
but that
actually
sun
close
is
to the light.
sharp.
Not at all.
Not complaining.
I'll wait till. Yeah, it doesn't hurt to have you there. Okay, yeah, that's kind of nice.
Coming to you.
All right, let us know before you guys start actually flipping.
Okay. I'm gonna have to grab a gun.
Okay.
You're on your mark now?
Woohoo!
Okay, I gotta slide towards you a little bit.
Okay.
I like it.
Okay.
There we go. That's the last truss to close in the inside of the house.
There, it doesn't matter. It's
Looks fabulous. And next we're going to continue on to do the porch. Woo. These ones are going to stay out on the porch now. We'll continue on. Leia's up there checking things out.
All right, hold her there.
We got a real system
Get up,
here
give me a
now.
hand.
What are you doing?
Ready for lifting. Trent, Tori, Steve, Avery, and Brad.
There you go. Happy?
Yeah.
And the flip.
We gotta come my way.
Oh, it's around the board. 1 sec before you shuffle. Wait. Out a bit off the top. Like that.
There we go.
There you go.
Nice. There's the inspector right there. Should come out to see how things are going.
Going with your,
Tori.
There's a hole in the ground there. Just about to die. Sitting there.
All right. And then we'll get ready for the flip.
3, 2, 1.
There we go. Get on. Nice.
Okay.
they got held. I think I gotta come to me some, Trey.
Yeah.
How are you there?
There we go. I like it.
Look at that.
What's happening?
Not going.
No.
Gonna hand it down and we'll switch you just for the sake of you being up there. And then
Gun jammed up a little bit. They'll fix that up. Here they come.
I think that looks odd. Just
Doo, 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 doo.
Yeah, I see.
Okay. Avery's like, let me get in there. Pass off to Avery. Nice, guys.
Buddy on the truck yesterday was saying he could put 80 footers on.
Oh, really? Would you say these were?
These are 26 wide plus the tails, so 26,
you ready to be a teacher here soon too?
30 feet wide.
Wow. All right, there it is. Well, this is what it looks like from a distance. This is the waterfront. I'm happy with that. I'll go down on the dock and show you from there. Here we go from the dock. Couldn't have done it without the kids coming. That was great. Avery, Tori, and Trent. I love having them, even though they gang up on me once they get together. Stinkers. Look at this. Woo!
She starts walking closer. Stop!
Okay, right there.